I decided to try something a little different and sound, which I did. Actually, next thing my neighbors and they actually work allowing me to really learn easily, but they didn't seem to make much of a story. So,